Hi, future teachers. In Module 7 and Week 7, we're going to focus on two main ideas. The first one is differentiated instruction, and then the second one is how important it is for a school community to have a shared vision to help foster learning in adolescence. So to begin with, for part 1, I'd like for you to read in your textbook, This We Believe in Action, Implementing Successful Middle Level Schools, Chapter 6, Shared Vision, and there are 6 short videos that accompany that chapter. And then we're going to focus on differentiated instruction. So this works out really well with what we're doing in SEED 408 as well. We've already talked about on our lesson plan the idea of content, process, and product. So anyway, what I'm going to ask you to do is to go to some different websites. The first one is Reading Rockets, and on this website you'll find out a little about Carol Ann Tomlinson, who is one of the leading scholars concerning differentiated instruction. So you're going to be doing some reading on Reading Rockets. Then also at Scholastic, they have some other information about differentiation. And I want you to remember that differentiation does not necessarily mean just students that are on IEPs and high-level learners and English language learners. For example, in SEED 408, I try to, which I will on Factor 2 and Factor 3, differentiate the materials, the content that I give each of you. I'm going to show you some English examples, some math examples, some science examples, so you can pick and use the ones that meet your needs rather than just having a generic blanket, oh, this is how you differentiate. Then the third site that I'd like for you to go to is, well, actually you're asked to Google about differentiated math or differentiated science. This right here is the NCTM website, which does have an actual part of it that is focused on differentiated learning. And then lastly, there is an article in ERIC Digest about developing an effective curriculum that meets the needs of all of your students through differentiation. As always, there are some questions at the end that you need to respond to, and you're also being asked to make a content, process, product chart, which is like what you had to or should be filling out for your SEED 408 lesson plan. Please, if you have any questions, post them to the D2L discussion board, and I hope you have a great week. Thanks for listening.